pouch. Just need to line them up with those little rails on the inside. So they go in quite snug. So we're installing this app, this boardroom and classroom unit, which is fairly cool because all you need to do is run a Cat6 cable to where the projector is. The projector is going to sit there in the ceiling. It's got the audio split out here at the base, so you can connect that to a set of powered speakers. It's got a microphone input, channel select. You can turn your projector on and off from here. It controls the projector with RS-232 and also the screen if you have a screen that can do RS-232. 3 HDMI inputs, monitor out, VGA input, audio input, so you can chuck a phone directly in there and play some music, all with one Cat6 or Cat5e cable. Easy as that.
So we're about to install a 3.2 meter LED screen at the Vape Expo down at ASP Showgrounds. We'll have the highest pixel density in the entire expo.
So we're at a school and they have this Stage Pro that they bought a fair while ago. I'm going to install a wireless microphone receiver for them and a Bluetooth player, Bluetooth module, and then also a repeater system. And they've also bought these two slave speakers so they can connect that wirelessly to this main speaker and have them up to 80 meters apart, so that when they have their sports days they can cover the whole field with 3 speakers, 80 meters apart. That's a lot of coverage. And this one is the repeater. That's the one that communicates with the 2 slave speakers. So if you store it, just screw that out again. But if it's in there, you can just put it like this, so that communicates with the 2 slave speakers. So this is your wireless microphone repeater. So it clicks on, you just turn it clockwise and it clicks on. That's also your volume. It's on channel 1 now. This should probably be on channel 1 because it's brand new. So if the channels are same, you will get some audio there. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then Bluetooth is the same, clicks on, and also your volume. There's a pairing button. Just press the pairing button, it'll start the search. Go on your phone, look for Bluetooth speaker, just connect, and then you're on. And then volume up and down, same, or you can do the volume on your phone up and down.